Welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness, and what we are doing today is a kettlebell workout. It's a full body intense kettlebell workout and it's a burner. Okay, so it's going to burn about 600 plus calories and it's going to be a full body workout. So they are all ready. Okay, and they've already started. They finished the warm up and they started the first set, and now they're on the second, and now we're going to do the third set. So it's 3 sets of 15. And the first exercise is the kettlebell swing. All right? Yep. Let's do it. All right. The kettlebell swing is a hinged workout. So you hinge your hips and swing the kettlebell. So that's what you need to do. And so this is the first workout. The next exercise is a single arm swing. So what you saw was a double arm swing, and this is an advanced version. So you might wonder, you're just doing a single arm, but why advanced? So you have a twisting portion of it. So you're going to use your core, with little more engagement. So this is a little advanced, and it needs the mind muscle coordination to shift the weight from one hand to other. So it's a good exercise. Watch it. All right, what you're seeing Sumati do is the single arm swing. Okay, you hinge your hips down and come up with your core engaged. All right, the next exercise is on your biceps, all right, with the shoulders component. So you're going to curl your biceps. Do not keep in a hammer curl position. Bring it in a curl position so your biceps works, and then from there it's a shoulder press. And then bring it back and down. Yes, we usually do it like this and bring it with the triceps component. We're not going to do that this time. Sumati is going on a trek, a 2000 step trek. But we are a no mercy guys, right? So we don't spare anybody. So she's going to do legs anyway. All right, guys. What you're watching our guy is doing is, the biceps curl and the shoulder press together. Arjun, you shouldn't swing. You should lift it straight. So, all right, guys. We decided to torture Sumati. So we're going to do the leg exercise. Again, so we're going to squat and press. Again, so what you're going to do is take the kettlebell, go all the way down, touch the elbow with the knees, and come up all the way and press it. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Right? If you're watching this video, share it with your friends and relatives and people who love to do exercises and people who need it. Do this. This is a full body workout. And please do write to us and ask if you have any doubts, and we'll be able to do videos just for you guys. Right, go ahead, let's see the workout. Okay, what you're seeing Arjun do is the squat and press. Okay, get the kettlebell, put your butt backwards, and then squat and touch your elbow on the knee, and then press all the way up. So there's a shoulder, leg, your glutes, and your abs working. So there's an intense workout. The next exercise is a shoulder workout. So what you're going to do is take the kettlebell, go around the thing. It's called the halo. So, and then with a halo, you're going to press. Okay, so go around the shoulder and press. So you're going to do a chest component as well with this. So that's what the next exercise is all about. All right, guys, what you're watching Sumati do is the halo with a chest press. Okay, so you'll have to keep the kettlebell as close as possible towards your head. Go around it and press and alternate the side, and each side is counted as 1. So both the sides together is 1, and then you press it. So you need to do 15 counts on each side. Hi guys, so the next exercise, you can see them already. They've already started. So this is a lunge with press. So they're doing a shoulder workout with a lunge. So that's the next exercise. A lot of core engagement, your glutes, your quads, your hamstring, lower back, and your shoulders. It's really intense and amazing workout.